So the Chieftain is in the shop. I made my decision on what I want to do. It's in there, probably torn apart a bit. I won't tell you how far it's torn apart because it'll give it away. It's getting its performance upgrades, and I should have it back probably in a couple days. And once I get it back, I need to start putting some miles on it to break it in. I'm not sure how good a tune I'm going to have right off the bat, so it may take a little bit to sort out the tune. We'll have to see. I've heard it can be a little difficult to get a good tune on a dual exhaust on the Thunderstroke engines, but we'll wait and see. But I went with my decision, and I think I'll be happy with it. In the meantime, I get to play in my bobber. So it'll be probably at least a few days before I get the Chieftain back. And after that, I got to proceed to shift where I hit a bump. So once I get it back, I need to start putting some miles on it to get it broken, and then get the tune dialed in a bit. And I'm not going to tell you exactly how I'm doing that, because if I tell you how I'm doing that, it's going to give away the surprise, and you guys will have to wait for the next video to see exactly what I'm doing to the Chieftain. Wow, I'm finding every single slow person. Yeah, oh, this is a nice guy. So I need to break in the Chieftain once I get it back. I do know that I need to take it easy to break in the engine afterwards before I really start getting on it. So I want to be nice to the engine after the work on it, because I plan to keep the bike. So some people will say just ride it like you stole it right off the bat, break it in that way. Other people will say to gradually do it over 500 or 1,000 miles. I think I'm going to sort of take it on the easy side in the beginning for maybe about 500 miles. Don't rev it too high, don't put too much load on it, but don't ride at a constant throttle for long periods. And work on getting it broken properly. And then once I hit about 500 miles, I will change the oil. And then at that point, I'm going to start gradually revving it up more, loading it down more, and start really breaking it in. And once I finish doing that, I'll have a better idea of the power that it will have. And then I can give you guys a nice little review and show you what it's like. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, and wait for that Chieftain video.